Hey Craftsies, and welcome back to my channel. I'm super excited. We're unboxing SHEIN craft supplies. Well, this is mostly making jewelry and things for my jewelry adventures. So let's get started. It's the first time I'm opening a SHEIN pack. So I've just opened it now and let's get into the unboxing. So we're starting with the earring accessories, around 18 Rand. And this basically includes your backings and butterflies for earrings, creating yourself. Now we have silver wire, 20 Rand for this one. And this was 8 millimeters in size. Then we have circle DIY accessories. And these are basically something that you can do like for earring creations, because it's just like circles. And it's quite cute. It doesn't have any holes or anything in it, so you're basically just going to attach it with the jump ring. Then we have a 100-piece DIY accessory for 32 Rand. Now, these are normally the ones that you attach to a charm for like a necklace. And you just basically close the clasp and then it holds on to that. Now we have the golden hoop rings for earrings, and it was 15 Rand for this. Now, the only thing that disappointed me was the color variation of some of the gold things that I received in this unboxing, which I will definitely elaborate on a bit later, but it looks nice individually. Then we have more silver wire, 20 Rand for this. Hey Crafty, I see you there. If you like this video so far, please click the like button down below so we can share this video with other special crafties like you. So now we have the golden version of the jump rings that you put on your accessories or charms. I like that a lot of the things come in resealable bags. Then we have golden beads, which are super cool, 50 Rand for this. And I love as well the resealable bag effect and just opening it in this unboxing. The color does bother me a bit. So to compare it with the picture online, it's definitely not the same color. Then we have the golden DIY metal jewelry things. So it has 2 spaces for jump rings, and you can even connect it to each other as well. So I have a few ideas what to do with these. Then we have the silver hoop earrings, which was 19 Rand. And I was quite happy with the color variation of these ones. And the resealable bag, of course, is something I really, really love. Oh, this is something I've been waiting for. So this is a 1 box DIY accessory. This is so beautiful and I loved unpacking it. So you heard me gasp there. This was so cool. So you have clasps, some stoppers and more clasps, earring ends, those little finishers, those little circly things that you put at the ends of your jewelry, some jump rings, big ones and smaller ones, things for a little bit of end off, more end off like claspy things, some of those things, and well, as well as these like things for earrings and stuff like that. Was very, very cool. I really needed some of these. And then little small pieces of stainless steel things, and then a little bathtub string. This is something I'm really excited about, DIY earrings, wooden earrings. This was around 85 Rand for 60 sets. And just up close, it looks quite big, and also love the resealable bag. Now we've got different shapes. We have this earring hoops and jump rings again, and then these rectangular circular and drop earrings. Love it. And then we have these teardrop earring pendants, and then these diamond beads. I'm so happy with these, super happy, and I love unboxing this as well. And the variety of colors, oh my goodness. Look at the beauty. I keep gasping within the video because I really adore the colors and the variations, and it just gives me so much more things that I can do and bracelets I can make. Now we have these earring friends with backings as well. Really love them. And just up close, it's so cutable. It's like a little flurry, twirly type of earring friend. So you can also attach something at the back so that it hangs off, which is quite cool. And I'm just going to give you a close-up of what it looks like. And then it's got this red things at the back, which is quite cool, just to, save you from harming yourself, perhaps. But then as you can see, there's a little hoopy there that you can add something onto it, which is quite cool. Then you have these little flowery things, quite cute. And then we have these little charms, like pearly golden charms. Now, as I looked at it, I actually realized that there's no spaces, like little hoops or something to attach it to something. So I will need to look at creative ways of actually attaching it to something, or maybe putting it onto a necklace. So as I looked at it, I saw this piece here, and I thought maybe we can add hoops and things like that on there to maybe make necklaces from them, because it's quite cute charms. So here's everything we unboxed today, and now it's time to make something from some of these. Okay, so I'm taking some of the bendable wire, and then I'm just going to cut it to size. There. I'm just taking the wire and trying to find a good way or place for me to wrap it around the hoop earring. So I'm just going to wrap it around. You're going to see me struggling a bit with this. It's not as easy as it looks. I've watched so many videos of people doing this, and it's actually much harder than it actually looks. So I'm just trying to bend it right around so that it's quite stiff, so that it doesn't move around too much. Boop my little nosy. Okay, so when I finally wrapped it, now we're gonna start with the beads. So just gonna put a bead in the long end, take it down, and then I'm just going to wrap it around the earring as well, as close as possible to the bead. So if you enjoyed this video, you will definitely enjoy part 2 of this unboxing. Or here's another video that you can watch that YouTube is recommending for you.